This is my first view of the Grand Teton Range. And we got something to go with it. In Wyoming again, dropping south of the Yellowstone National Park.
One
Four different hybrids. All $35 an
breakfast burritos, and the Raven is always with us. He's returning to wherever I'm at. And I look around the parking lot, there's no Ravens hanging out with any other trucks, black trucks or cars or anything. So,
hi, Shanny Banani.
Hi, Shannon Banani.
Check out this magnificent view of the sunburst over Teton.
From lightning in 1974.
Wait, over there were those.
The fire was allowed to burn until winter.
You can see the remnants there along this ridge.
You can see the last little bits of the aspens creaking, and how most of them have lost their leaves.
And now let's take a minute out to just chill, to just go slow, to just relax and take in the beauty. I think this is one of the most breathtaking and gorgeous places that I've ever been. Calm is so tranquil. And it's evening time again. The time to reflect on the day. Let's see what else this magical place has in store for us this evening before the sun sets. And if we could find a place to rest our heads for the night. We found some deer and elk tracks here along the lake.
Spectacular scenery that God has graced us with. Amen. And thank you so much for this beautiful view.
Now let's enjoy this sunset beauty over the Grand Teton.
We left Grand Teton and Yellowstone before that, and now we're on our way to Idaho. And we are on the Grand Loop. So we are heading south now through Jackson Hole, Wyoming. It just started. Coming out of Teton. Fall colors. Giant cottonwoods and the aspens in the distance. I remember you saying it before. I should put it on time lapse.
Simply like heaven here. I can't get enough of it. I just want to stay here the whole entire time. So let's slow down now for a moment and enjoy this sunset scenery.
See any gun stores? Let me know.
Hungry Jack's General Store.
Gas is $4.29, not too bad. Well, for the current, price gouging.
Well, food solids, I think $3.95. the range. The Grand Tetons were
I'm
named
more worried about the people coming
the
down.
French words Grand Tit, quite literally, and then two small tits.
What's our elevation? Climbing, climbing.
And now let's go look for a place to park on the side of the road. Jackson Hole has a few places where you can stop off and
It's all downhill on the way back.
the parking spots on the side of the road. This was ours. Look at the sights. The lights and the brightness and the colors. Let's just stop for a moment and take in this breathtaking view. It inspires me to wish you a beautiful, glorious evening and a beautiful morning ahead. Now enjoy the scenery from the Elk Refuge. This is the National Elk Refuge outside of Teton and Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Please explore. Find your grandeur.
Yeah. That's quite high up.
There's a really nice bike path and walking path that you can walk over here outside the Elk Refuge. So take a moment to take in that glory and take a look at the last few slides of this beautiness and say goodbye to Jackson Hole, Wyoming. See you on the next one when we hit Frenchman's Hot Spring in Idaho, USA. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like, comment,